Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are doing well. Yes friends, if you're not a regular viewer of my channel, please do watch my earlier videos on dollar index, because I have mentioned that dollar index is going to breach 91, and that is really good for Indian equity market. And you know that though the global market is stagnant or range bound, or to some extent it is negative, but then again the Indian equity market is performing really well in the recent past. So why this is happening, I have mentioned those things in the earlier videos. If by now you have not yet watched, I'll put the link of those videos in the description box. Please do watch it and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So in this particular video I'll be mentioning about few stocks and their probable movements in the coming days. Please do watch it till the end and don't forget to put your valuable comments in the comment section. So starting with the first stock, that is Piramal Enterprise. So here you see that it has formed an inverse head and shoulder. So this is the first shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder or the second shoulder. So here you see this red line, that is a resistance, or you can also say as neckline. So today, interestingly, this neckline has been breached by price. By the way, I don't put those indicators. You can say that people use RSI, ADX, Bollinger Band, stochastic, moving average. So to me, price action is supreme as always, because whatever indicator or oscillator you put on the chart, those are all derivatives of price. So just based on simple price action, one can really get good trades and perform really well compared to their peers. So here you see that today it has given a breakout from this particular level, clear from this neckline. So going forward tomorrow, if you see that if price action or price gives a movement above the high of this particular candle, that means today's high is 1500. If price starts to move above 1500, so the first target should be around 1650. That means this particular level. Let me just draw the line for better understanding. So this should be the first level, that is 1650 or 1660. You can see, just zoom out a bit and you will be able to see that this particular level is very important. Here it acted as resistance, here it acted as support. So a probable resistance level would be this 1650 or 1660 going forward. So presently the stock is trading around 1500, as you know. So more 150 points is visible on the card. So let's move to the second stock today. So the second stock I would say about CDSL. So you know that this particular stock has only one peer, clear? So going forward there is a lot of possibility for this particular stock. Yes friend, this is an ascending triangle, you can see, because it is making higher lows. This is the first low, second low, third low, fourth low, all are making higher lows, and the highs are at the same level. So this particular pattern is known as ascending triangle, and 90 to 95% of the times ascending triangle gives a breakout on the upside. And you see today it has given a breakout from this particular level, and usually what happens, the target becomes this height. Actually, from this particular level you need to just calculate the difference and add it from the breakout level. So probably this level is around 515, and this particular level is around 420. So it's almost 90 to 100 points. If you just add, that would be really huge. So as of now, I can see that if you just hold this stock not only for trading purpose, but in your portfolio, it can give you really good return in the coming not only days but months as well. So let's move to the third stock for today, that is I would say Bharat Forge. The numbers from US has been really good for Bharat Forge. That means those truck cells. So here you see that it has also formed a kind of inverse head and shoulder, though you can say that this is not exactly bookish, but to some extent it is also an inverse head and shoulder. So it is on the verge of this neckline, on the verge of this crucial psychological level, you can say, that is 535, 536. So if it gives a breakout going forward in the coming days, then the next target should be around this 615, or you can say, to be very precise, 600. So presently it's around 535, 536. So more 65 points is on the card. So now let's move to the next stock, that is UFlex. So this UFlex also has given a good breakout today. So these are very good breakout candidates for the coming days. You know that after forming this rounding base and this particular level, let me just draw the line here. If you just draw the line here, then you will be able to understand that this level, that is around 370, is a very strong resistance level. You can see from this particular price action in 2017, here you can see in 2018, then again in the recent past in August 20, you can see that this level acted as crucial resistance zone, and today it has given a breakout. So going forward, you can see some upside movement in this particular stock as well. So now let's move to the last one, that is Thirumalai. So my friend, this has formed a good rounding base, and you know that this 100.5 was a very good supply zone earlier as well. Just see here, you can see here, so many times it faced resistance, and from the theory of polarity, this particular level also acted as good support here, you can see. And next in 2019 again it faced a resistance around this level, and in the recent past also this level acted as a crucial supply zone. And today you can see that it has given a breakout from this particular level. Let me just delete this arrow. So you can see that it has given a breakout day before yesterday. So now going forward, you can see good movement in this Thirumalai chemical as well. So the first target could be around this particular point, that is 117, and the next target could be around this 130. So my friend, these are all good stocks for the coming days. Please do your own analysis and keep watching these stocks in your watch list. Keep these stocks in your watch list, and keep tracking my future videos as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your near and dear ones. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.